I've been reviewing TOFRO.com throughout 2025, and while it presents itself as a crypto trading platform offering high-tech investment solutions, there are several warning signs that potential users should not ignore. Based on what I've found, this platform raises serious questions about its legitimacy. TOFRO.com claims to provide advanced trading tools and a wide selection of digital assets, but many users have reported serious issues when trying to access their funds. Common complaints include frozen accounts, delayed or blocked withdrawals, and a complete lack of response from customer support. In some cases, users reported that communication was abruptly cut off after they requested a withdrawal, which is a major red flag. What's more concerning is the growing number of public warnings about the platform. Independent reviewers and financial watchdogs have flagged TOFRO.com for suspicious activity, and the platform has earned a very low trust rating across several review forums. There are also community discussions online where users share similar negative experiences, ranging from aggressive marketing tactics to pressure for referrals, which often mirrors patterns seen in scam operations. Another red flag is the platform's sudden disappearance from social media and support groups. Platforms that operate transparently don't cut communication without warning. Combined with the fact that there are no clear details about the team behind the project, this makes it difficult to hold anyone accountable if something goes wrong. If you're considering using TOFRO.com, I'd strongly advise extreme caution. The reports of financial losses, lack of transparency, and warnings from other users suggest this may be more of a risk than it's worth. If this review helped you stay informed and protected, be sure to like the video, share it with someone interested in crypto platforms, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.